Stop waiting for the perfect time to study. Today, I'm revealing the one secret that separates fluent speakers from those who quit, and it only takes 20 minutes a day. Stay with me until the end to get your exact English workout plan that turns hesitation into confidence. Let's start day 5. Welcome back to Learn English with Mr. J. Congratulations! You've already completed 4 important days of your English journey. If you've been practicing even a little every day, you're already ahead of thousands of people who only watch English videos but never take action. Today, we're going to talk about the secret that separates successful English learners from those who quit after just a few weeks. And here's the secret. It isn't talent. It isn't a high IQ. It isn't even having more free time. It's consistency. Small actions, repeated every single day, lead to extraordinary results. Let me ask you a simple question. If you wanted to become healthier, would you exercise for 6 hours on one day and then do nothing for the next 2 weeks? Of course not. You would exercise a little every day. Learning English works exactly the same way. Many learners make this mistake. One day they study for 3 hours. The next day, they're too busy. Then they skip another day. Soon, an entire week passes without any practice. Then they wonder, Mr. J, why isn't my English improving? The answer is simple. Your brain learns through repetition, not through occasional effort. Imagine planting a small tree. Would you pour 20 buckets of water on it once a month? Or would you give it a little water every day? Small daily care helps the tree grow strong. Your English grows in the same way. Even 15 minutes of focused practice every day is far more effective than studying for hours once a week. Now let me show you a routine that almost anyone can follow. Start your day with just 5 minutes of listening. Choose a short English video or podcast. Listen carefully. Don't worry if you don't understand every word. Your goal is to train your ears. Next, spend 5 minutes speaking. Repeat simple sentences aloud. Describe your room. Talk about your plans for the day. Remember, speaking builds confidence. Then spend 5 minutes reading. A short article, a children's story, or even today's lesson transcript. Read slowly. Understand what you're reading. Finally, write 5 simple sentences. Write about your day, your goals, or something interesting you learned. That's it. 20 minutes. A complete English workout. Now think about this. 20 minutes every day equals more than 140 minutes every week. That's over 2 hours of quality English practice without feeling overwhelmed. Let me tell you about Michael. Michael believed he needed long study sessions to become fluent, but because he was busy, he often skipped them. Weeks passed, very little changed. Then he decided to study differently. Instead of waiting for the perfect time, he practiced for just 20 minutes every morning. Some days he felt motivated, some days he didn't. But he kept his promise. 3 months later, his friends noticed something. Michael was speaking more naturally. He understood conversations more easily. And most importantly, he no longer felt afraid to speak. What changed? Not his intelligence, not his memory. Only one thing: his daily habit. Here's another truth that many learners don't realize. You don't need motivation every day. Because motivation comes and goes. Some mornings you'll feel excited, other mornings you won't. That's completely normal. Successful learners don't depend on motivation, they depend on routine. When practice becomes part of your daily schedule, you no longer ask yourself, should I practice today? You simply do it. Just like brushing your teeth or eating breakfast, it becomes part of who you are, and that's when real progress begins. So today, I want you to make one small commitment. Not 100 sentences, not 5 hours of study, just 20 focused minutes. Every single day, protect those 20 minutes. Treat them as an appointment with your future self. Because every minute you invest today brings you closer to speaking English with confidence tomorrow. Remember, fluent English isn't built in one day. It's built one day at a time. Thank you for spending another day with me. If you're enjoying this journey, don't stop now. Tomorrow, we'll learn how to practice English in real-life situations and build confidence in everyday conversations. Until then, keep practicing, keep believing in yourself, and as always, I'll see you in day 6.